Welcome to part two. Part two. In this one, I'll be showing you how I do my eyeshadows. If you're not seen part one, go to part one. Part one just shows y'all how I do the whole base and the products that I use. But anywho, let's get into the eyeshadow though. Alright, y'all, how we looking? Good, good. So we got like a little smoky eye going on, like a natural smoky eye, a pop color, a little bit of red. And I also added some highlights in my tear duct, a little bit with some glitter shimmer, and a highlight on top, you know. But I did add some mascara and some black eyeliners on my top waterline. But I could go like this without any lashes, but that would be a lie. So we need to add some lashes to this. Yeah. So let me be right back. Add my lashes and add a little bit of liner to my lips, and we'll be back. But like, can y'all see the difference? No lash. But I did get a little bit of eye glue on the top of my eye because I didn't put no mascara, eyeliner on. Because when I do a smoky eye natural one like this, I do not add eyeliner. But it still look good though. But let me do the other eye though. gotta give me a ring light, y'all. Because I really feel like this will show way better. But it's okay though. Right, y'all. And this is the completed look. Hold on. So y'all can see. Yeah, this is a completed look. If you haven't already watched part 1, go and check it out so y'all can see the full transformation. If you haven't already yet, go ahead, follow, subscribe for more makeup looks and self-care. Hope you have a great day.